When you hear about Rebuild India, I know exactly what you're thinking because I hear it every single day. You look at this country, the children out of school, the young people without direction, the communities waiting for change, and something in you aches to do something. And then comes that voice, but I am just one person, what difference can I make? Who am I to change a nation? I want to answer that voice today, and I want to answer it so completely that you never hear it again. First, let me tell you in 1 minute what Rebuild India is, because it is simpler than you think. We believe a nation is not rebuilt by governments or grand schemes, it is rebuilt by its people, one person at a time. Development of the nation is the development of its people. So, we work at the root. Free learning centers where underprivileged children are taught and nurtured every evening by college students. Young people who in the act of teaching become leaders themselves. The child develops, the child lifts the families strengthen the community, and strong communities, thousands of them, rebuild the nation. That is the whole idea. Children, youth, communities rising together. Now back to you and that voice. Here is what the voice gets wrong. It thinks doing something means doing something enormous, quitting your job, starting an NGO, giving away lakhs. No, nations aren't rebuilt by a few people doing enormous things. They are rebuilt by lakhs of ordinary people doing small things with unreasonable consistency. So let me tell you exactly what one person can do. 5 things, small enough that you can start today, powerful enough that if enough of us do them, this country changes. 1. Talk to one person every day about Rebuild India. Just one conversation, at tea, in the office, on the train. Tell them about the children, the centers, the movement. That's it. You alone reach 365 people a year. With the one form of media no algorithm can beat. A person they trust, speaking of something good. 2. Post about it once a week. One post. Share our story, a photo from a center, a line about why you believe in this. You have a circle no one else can reach. Even a few hundred people is a village-sized audience that trusts your voice more than any advertisement. 3. Serve with us once a month, one Sunday in a month, a couple of hours, a plantation drive, a health camp, an evening at a center. Come feel the movement with your own hands. Service once a month keeps your belief alive. Because belief without action quietly dies. 4. Give a small amount every month, and I mean genuinely small, 100 rupees or whatever you feel you can, if that's what you can commit. Not one big donation when emotion strikes, a small amount every month without fail. Steady rivers, not occasional floods, run these centers. And the giver of 100 rupees a month is as much a builder of this movement as any large donor, because there will be lakhs of us. 5. And this is the one that changes everything. Bring one more person to commit to these same 5 things. Just one. Because watch the arithmetic. You alone are one person, but if you bring one more and they bring one, we don't add, we double. 1 becomes 2, 2 becomes 4, and 20 doublings from a single person is more than 1,000,000. That is the power of one. Not what one person can do alone, what one person can start. A talk a day, a post a week, a service a month, a small gift a month, and one more person like you. Read those again. Is there anything in that list you cannot do? Nothing. And that's precisely the point. The rebuilding of India was designed to be within your reach. So the next time that voice asks, what can one person do? You will know the answer. Everything. It starts everything. Start today. Talk to your first person about the moment you just joined. Together, we will rebuild India.